The iPhone 15 Pro Max is here, and it is time to compare it with the Samsung S23 Ultra and Pixel 7 Pro. Say design-wise, iPhone got new titanium finish which is solid and tough, and I like that texture. However, it still maintains a flight and take form factor which is okay-ish. Me, I like devices with curved frame and edges similar to Samsung and Pixel. Then there is a Flagship module dynamic island on the front of iPhone versus a small hole punch in Samsung and Pixel. Yes, both these got a thicker chin which is fine, but if you watch movies or play games, that dynamic island will stay right there. So design-wise, I would pick Samsung or Pixel in this battle. Thought and performance, iOS 17 versus Samsung OneUI 5 versus A14 coming soon on Pixel. The iOS 17 is super stable, and not to mention the iPhone 15 may get 6 years of software support, which is something Samsung or Pixel won't see. This with A17 Pro chip is icing on the cake because it's super powerful and power efficient. You play games, do multitasking or rendering, it won't disappoint you. Samsung OneUI 5 is decent but not something close to Pixel UI or iOS 17 in terms of animation or smoothness. The custom made for Galaxy 8 Gen 2 in Samsung is no doubt great, can do multitasking and gaming without any issues. The stockish Pixel UI on A14 is something I like a lot. Like in terms of interface, in terms of customization, it is great. But got Tensor G2 silicon which is not powerful or power efficient. Can do basic tasks, but is not something close to A17 Pro or A Gen 2. So overall, the iPhone 15, A17 Pro and iOS 17 is a clear winner in this round. The iPhone 15 Pro Max and Samsung S23 Ultra got amazing battery life. The best part is Samsung S23 Ultra got 45 watts of fast charging, and iPhone is stuck at 27 watts and Pixel at 23 watts, which is a shame. Samsung once again is a clear winner in this one. Some camera samples I wanna share with you guys, and yes, iPhone finally has a 5x zoom camera, can shoot fantastic photos in day and night lighting conditions. Pixel and Samsung as always doing an amazing job. So in some cases, I think iPhone was better, but in some areas, Samsung and Pixel no doubt were awesome. The Samsung S23 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at $1199 in the US, but Samsung is less expensive in India, Brazil, and other markets. The Pixel 10 Pro is $649 right now, which is a hard deal, and in India also it costs half the price of the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. So all are great devices in terms of software, in terms of performance, and in terms of the quality. I would pick the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Samsung got better design. The A Gen 2 is super powerful and power efficient, and with 45 watts fast charging, it is a great deal. Finally, for those who want to save some, can get the Pixel 10 Pro at $649 slash 70,000 INR. That is a great deal and comes with great software, great cameras, and a decent display. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.